Hey everyone, this is Brian from Green Springs Capital Group bringing your weekly update. This week I'm going to speak a little bit more in detail about forced appreciation. We touched on this topic last week as one of the core pillars for the Green Springs Capital Group investing philosophy and why we love real estate so much. We currently have a property that's under contract to be sold. This is a property we bought 4 years ago for $356,000. At the time, the property was generating $36,000 a year in net operating income. So we went into this with a business plan to both decrease expenses, increase revenue, and improve the overall operation of the building. So what we did was we immediately went in and made some cosmetic improvements to all of the units, just a light value add strategy, and spent about $40,000 across 9 different units. In doing so, we were able to kind of turn over the tenant base to a higher quality tenant that was going to give us some sort of assurance that they were going to pay rent on time, because stability of the income is very important as well. And we also went in and started billing back for utilities. So the previous owner was not charging the tenants for utilities, it was just included in the rent. So we came up with a pricing strategy that we were going to charge them rent plus utilities. This was able to both decrease our expenses and increase our income simultaneously. But the combination of billing back the utilities, making cosmetic renovations to the property, as well as filling a great deal of vacancies that were in the building at the time of purchase, we were able to move that net operating income all the way up to $72,000 today. Now we are under contract to sell that property for $630,000 just 4 years after its initial acquisition. So over the course of the project, that equates to a average annual return of about 19% and a total profit of $325,000 over 4 years. So you can see that just by making small incremental adjustments to different levers on a building, you can explode the value over time and get unbelievable returns. And this is why we like forced appreciation so much and why we implement it in pretty much every single building that we redevelop. That's it for this week. If you have any questions, you can reach me here on Instagram at Green Springs Capital, or you can always send me an email, brian@greenspringscapitalgroup.com. Happy to discuss real estate with you or talk to you about partnership opportunities with Green Springs. That's it for today. Have a great weekend. Talk to you next week.